set up for the truck. Solid looking 6.4. What's going on, guys? So this video is kind of going to be all over the place because it's going to be me basically doing multiple things throughout this week, starting with getting an alignment on the truck. We're about to go ahead there now. We're also going to get the windows tinted, and we're going to get the truck registered, and hopefully the wheels and tires for the truck are going to come in this week. So I'm going to give you all a little preview of that, as well as some other products that I've gotten in that we're going to be installing very, very soon. Let's head down to Firestone and get this alignment knocked out. Pretty solid looking F1 right here with some good meats on it. I'm so ready to get some tires, y'all. This thing is crying for them. All right, here we are at Firestone. Gotta get this alignment knocked out. One of my least favorite things to do, handing the keys over. But we gotta do what we gotta do. But we're finally done with Firestone, thank goodness. See this big box? Y'all, I think y'all can see the big box. We got new headlights, boys. First on the market, not even available for sale yet. So I'm adding a little value to this video and hopefully get y'all excited for upcoming content by giving y'all a sneak peek. New headlights, exclusive, courtesy of Recon. Just gonna give y'all a little peek, nothing crazy. All right, that's it. Y'all gonna have to wait for the full video, but be excited. I am so incredibly stoked. Cannot wait to throw those babies in there because it is gonna look insane. Pumping some fresh 93 402 a gallon, getting 11 cents per gallon back right now. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse, but it's definitely worth using the Upside app. I have a link to my code in the description. Check it out, share it with your friends. You get some pretty good money back. How's it going?
Yeah, it looks brand new.
Yeah.
Did you ever last your bill of sale?
Bill of sale, possibly.
Something that shows when you purchased the truck. When did you actually buy it?
Last Monday.
Last Monday?
I believe that was right, yeah, last Monday.
Okay.
They're supposed to be mailing me the information to take to the DMV.
Okay.
It was in Georgia.
You realize you probably have to have it inspected before they give you a tag for it, right?
Inspected by who?
By law enforcement. Because it's from out of state.
Oh, really?
They may not make you if you came straight from a dealership, but...
Huh, what would they inspect it for? Just...
street roadability. So, I don't think you have anything to worry about.
Nah, it's pretty stock.
Right. Give me just a second, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Collins, there's your driver's license.
All right.
And there's your paperwork back. What I'm after, or when you get pulled over, is we want to know that you've purchased it within 20 days.
Okay.
So, Alabama state law says you get 20 days to get a tag on it.
Okay.
I don't see anything on there that says a particular date.
Okay.
But I'm willing to give you the benefit of the doubt. I mean, it looks brand new.
Right.
So,
all right.
We'll get you a tag, okay?
Hey, like I said, I'm just waiting on that. They said specifically that was going to get mailed to me, and then take that information to the DMV.
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Good deal.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
I'm sure I'll throw this in some video just to, I don't know. I got pulled over. No big deal. All is good. All right, next up, the DMV.
Dun, dun, dun. Serving in 295 at window 4.
Let's go. All right, well, we are finally done. Quite literally the last person leaving. But we got it all done. Some kind of weird stuff going on between the dealership and what they sent over and everything, but they had everything to get me done. So now we just got to throw the good old sub tag back on. We officially registered. Much better now. I'll catch up with you all in the morning. We headed to the tent shop. It is 55 degrees this morning. It's an old F2 putting in work. Yeah. About to be at the tent shop. Goodbye, fishbowl. Solid looking 6'4". Thing's freaking sick. I pulled up here and I saw this grill laying on the road, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna chunk it out of the way. Yeeted it over there. Where we at? It's stuck in the freaking ground standing up. But yeah, there's my good deed of the day. Getting that thing out of the road before someone tears the car up. All right, guys, well, here she is rocking the new window tint, looking so much better. Every little thing, dude. This truck just gets better and better, starting to look like something special. Didn't go too crazy with the tint. We just got the front 2 doors matched with the rear and then got the 5% strip up front, which I think it looks a million times better, dude. Just a little tint. It looks incredible. Didn't go too dark because mainly I didn't want to sit at the tint shop for like multiple hours. I honestly didn't have time this week. It's Lauren's birthday. We've got a ton of stuff going on between that, normal work, and just everything. So, yeah, decided to just run down for the time being, get some tint on the front, get the brow, and if we want to go back, at least probably pretty positive I want to go back and at least get 5% on the back glass. But like you can tell in some lighting, most lighting like this, it looks dark. You can see in. We'll come over here to the other side. I'm sure you can probably see in more because the sun's shining through those windows. Yeah, as you can tell. Yeah, you can see in there. But the good thing is, shouldn't get bothered by the police because of this tint, because it's, you know, yeah. Anyways, yeah. And I'm sure you just noticed we got tires. So I ordered a setup for the truck, and we do not have wheels because I received 2 wheels, 2 out of the 4, obviously. And one of the 2 got damaged in shipping, so I'm having to go through that process. So I don't know what all that's going to entail. I reached out to them and I told them, and they're like, yeah, just wait for the other 2 to come in and then we'll address the issue if that's the only one that's messed up. I'm honestly hoping it turns into a good thing where they're like, yo, we had insurance. If you want to just keep it, we'll give you your money back on that 1 wheel and we'll just call it a day. Then I'm going to be good with it because it's just on the lip. And honestly, we're going to be taking this thing off-road and the wheels are probably going to get skin up anyways. This is like our off-road setup. So, that would be best case scenario. It's going to really suck if I like, yeah, we got to send it back. Once we get it, we'll send you a new one, yada, yada. Then that's going to really put me back because I bought these all off eBay because I wanted to get them in quicker instead of going through custom offsets. Because it's usually not something you run into is the wheels being messed up when you go through custom offsets because they got them all wrapped together, stacked up. The tires are protecting them. It's usually very secure versus this, everything coming in individually. Speaking of custom offsets, I ordered today a setup for my father-in-law's Trail Boss, the black Trail Boss. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to be in the 1st of next month. Similar setups to what I went with on this, but also different enough that I think it's going to be awesome to compare them. And then we obviously got to compare the trucks as well. Just looks and performance-wise. We got to get that 5 tree versus the 5.0 with the 30 whatevers on them. We'll tease that for now. I'm sure some of y'all can already eyeball the sizes. Depending on the whole wheel situation, I might just throw these tires on the stock wheels for now, but I also don't want to do that because y'all saw the headlights that I got in and they're black, and I didn't want to put those on until we got black wheels. Spoiler, I'm sure you already knew we were putting black wheels on the truck right now. We're blacking everything out. But, yeah, so it's killing me not putting those headlights in because it's like super cool to have one of the first ones or whatever it is. But I want to wait till the truck is proper before we just throw the headlights on there just because we got them. So yeah, that's driving me nuts. Got a mod for Larry, similar to a mod that we did on Chomper. You can leave your comments down below. Wow. Looks like we've had a kitty cat having fun on the hard body. Is that blood? Yo, that's not rust, is it? That's blood, dude. The cat got up here and ate something. What the crap? Awesome. Sorry, hard body. I honestly haven't driven this thing in a week. I've been putting the miles on the new Ford because I've been loving it. But I was fixing to swap it out for the hard body. I guess I definitely am now. I need to wash this thing. Hopefully whatever animal that was does not get on old Blueberry. I'm joking. We're not calling it Blueberry. Lauren wants to call it Berry, but I just immediately go to Blueberry, and I'm like, no, that's terrible. Can't have Larry and Blueberry. Still hadn't even named this hard body. I mean, that's fine. I know this video was kind of all over the place and kind of a different vibe than typical, but hopefully you did enjoy. Got a decent amount done. All the essentials. Tint, alignment. What else did we do? Oh, we got the tag on there, registered. Got pulled over, which was cool because, you know, that's good for the title and thumbnail, I'm sure. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to quit rambling. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.